what's up guys, welcome to another video with your boy Chance. Yes boys and girls, today we are going to check on the E30's progress on how it's coming along with the repair work. Hope you guys are excited to see that. The guys have been sending me pictures on how it's coming along, and oh my boys and girls, it's coming along so nicely. So I can't wait to show you guys that when we get there. And yes boys and girls, like you guys saw on the title and thumbnail, I don't want to say too much right now, so you guys have to stay tuned to actually see if we actually did it or not. I don't want to say much, but you guys have to stay tuned to see if it's true or not. But also boys and girls, I'm trying to give you guys the videos and footage almost in real time. Of course it's not a same day vlog, but it's like a day after, so I hope you guys appreciate that as well. I'm really trying my best to give you guys some super fun content that you guys are gonna enjoy, so I really hope you guys do enjoy it. But I see with your guys' feedback that you guys really do enjoy the content, that you guys like, that you guys comment. Your interactions are just too dope boys and girls, so I appreciate that. As a content creator for you guys, I am truly happy that you guys enjoy my content boys. So yes boys and girls, if you guys are super excited about the news and the progress of the E30, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel boys and girls. I will see you guys when I get there. Don't want to make it too long again, so yeah, check you boys. Peace. Yes boys, this is the entrance. We are almost there boys and girls. There we are boys and girls and girls and boys and girls. ProSpray AutoBody boys and girls. We just made it over to ProSpray AutoBody and just looking at the car right now, and whew, it's coming along nicely. Right now I'm just gonna go talk to Mr. Waid once again. He's gonna give us a rundown on how the car is coming. And boys and girls, you guys are not ready for this. The car's not done, of course. It's still a work in progress, but the way it's taking shape, I am loving it. I'm loving it. So yeah, let me go talk to the guys. And last time guys, I didn't even give you guys a shop tour, so we might do that today, show you their workspace, the cars that they're working on right now. So yeah, I hope you guys are ready though. So let's get into it boys and girls. Let's go talk to Mr. Waid, and then yeah. And there's the car that I was telling you about boys and girls. .318 body with the 320 motor. My boys, did we pull the trigger? Check, 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 check. Sounds good though. Oh. Did we pull the trigger boys and girls? Nah boys, I'm just kidding. This is my cousin's car actually. That's gonna get some work done on it from the guys over, of course, at ProSpray AutoBody. This car does need a few things to be done on it, of course, but of course it's in good hands. That's my cousin over there. Pratipa, call him Pratipa. Sure, man.
Few moments later.
Hi there, Mr. Waid. I'm good, how are you? Good, good. Yeah. Oh, good, how are you, Mr. Waid?
Thanks for coming again. Yeah.
Thank you for welcoming us again.
So this is my place. So
yeah.
Basically here we've got our own paint mixing room.
Mixing room over there.
Mix our own paint. As you can see, we've also got a loft here.
You left.
To properly look at the undercarriage
thoroughly.
of the cars,
Yeah.
repair the rust and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And as you can see also there,
Your spray booth.
we've got a spray booth here as well.
Yeah.
So you're only going to get the best spray job.
Yeah.
And as you can see,
The car's been worked on now.
thoroughly.
Oh. Look at how it look. Oh, Mr. Waid.
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
Bongi is also there.
He's also.
Doing his best on the car.
Yeah.
He's giving it a lot of attention. Man.
Oof.
So soon, just a few more days, and you're gonna have it back.
So, well, now that we see there's a few spots on the bonnet, can you maybe like run us through on what's been done? Maybe should we start with the front bumper going backwards?
So basically, as you remember here in the past, like I showed you last week,
Yeah,
the
corner
last
was.
corner was busted there, so we have repaired the corner up there.
Yeah.
And we also found a lot of dents, hailstone damage, and chips here
Chips.
on your bonnet. So
Yeah.
I know we said we're not gonna paint the vehicle, but we were forced to basically just repair those.
Also
because
repair.
It was going to make the entire job look bad. If we
Yeah.
didn't do well, yeah, this car has been, it's been polished too much, so the guys have actually burnt through
Oh.
the paint and sanded through the paint to get it clean, to get all the defects out.
But now
And
they
then,
actually ate the paint.
Yeah, they do.
Nice.
So we'll try and see what we can salvage there for you
Yeah,
on the paint job there.
on the paint job. And now our top is off now.
Yeah, I mean, we had to strip this, the one arm of your
Sunroof.
needed to be replaced, so we will be repairing it for you.
Yeah.
And then at a later stage, if you want us to put new
New
in
arms.
here for you,
Yeah.
we can do that as well. But let's get it working for now.
Working for now,
And
yeah.
then take it from there.
Looking forward to that.
Yeah, at the back.
The rear bumper was the biggest one,
Yeah,
the biggest
that was totally busted
defect.
up here.
Yeah. But boys, look at this now.
So it's completely repaired.
You don't even
now.
what? Yeah.
So all it's showing now is just some primer and color, man, and then it's
Yeah.
gonna be
And that's
back
gonna
to
be
its former glory.
yeah.
understand?
Oh, and it looks
Gonna
in
look
shape
sick,
now.
man.
Yeah. Oh, it's coming along so nicely. Ah, Mr. Wade,
And
your
then
work.
this one here, man. This
Please
is
tell
my-
us about this
is my
car.
baby, man.
Yeah.
This is my 325i.
325i.
With the sunroof
Yeah.
that I'm working on. This is my personal car. that
personal
I
build.
want to build.
Yeah.
I've just put it on the back burner now because I've got quite a few customers now at the moment that need some restorations done in their cars.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll get to this baby later.
Yeah.
As you can see, there's another one here.
They just
That
pulled
just
in.
came in here. Basically, it belongs to Tsepa.
Mr. Tsepo.
So on this one here, we're gonna be redoing the entire vehicle.
The whole thing.
The whole thing.
And I don't know if maybe like we should make another video where we actually do like a full rundown on what the errors are.
Yes.
And then maybe do like a step-by-step video series for this car.
Definitely. So what we're gonna do here, have to do here is, as you can see, man, this car's got a lot of body filler in it. Man.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to strip all that off
Everything,
and then
everything.
see what there is that we can do to bring
So,
it back.
yeah.
And then in the boot here as well, there's a lot of rust here. Yeah, there we go. There's a hole in there. Man.
Oh,
see?
you can actually see the ground.
Yes, man.
Yeah,
So
it's really,
we're
really
gonna
bad.
comb through this car nicely and then take
Yeah.
it from there. You know? Yeah, this is a project that
The project, yeah.
we're gonna enjoy. And then on the inside as well, Tsepo wants us to redo the seats.
The
and
interior as well.
The cars in the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
so that's
there's gonna be a nice series though, Mr. Wade.
definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
We're looking so forward to it though.
Just to take you through the entire processes of how we
Yeah.
bring this one back to life.
Back to life again.
Yes, we're just gonna revive it. From the front, as you can see here, it's completely skewed.
Yeah.
The entire front balance is bent.
It's bent.
You can see it was red at one point.
One.
So, but
Well, this guy has been through some.
some different colors. So if you look
Yeah.
at the interior here, the original paint is actually
Astro silver metallic.
Estel silver metallic. So
Yeah.
we will be restoring it back to the
To the
original,
original color.
that it was.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what the owner wanted. So we're gonna try and do it.
Mr. Wade, well, thanks again.
Okay, cool, man.
Yeah.
Really appreciate the business also from you guys.
Yeah.
Supporting small businesses. Me and my son started this business out, and it's a passion. So definitely, he's also plays a big role in the business.
In the
He
business.
manages it from a day-to-day perspective.
Mm-hmm.
And then maybe soon in the near future, you'll meet him as well. And
Yeah.
then, he'll give his perspective as well.
Well, yeah, Mr. Wade, thank you again.
Thanks.
And then we'll continue later on.
Okay, cool.
Right.
Thanks, man.
Sure. Not ready. But are you excited?
I'm excited as hell.
Yeah.
I feel like I don't know what to expect, you know.
Yeah.
I have to look at yours as a reference of what to expect.
Yeah.
But yeah.
But I have high hopes it's gonna come out super sick.
You think so?
Yeah. But don't you wanna sell me the bottle caps?
I mean, that's not the first time you asked for that, eh?
Hmm.
Give me the ones in the key and then I'll give you these ones.
What? Guys, there's something that happened yesterday, last night actually, on the Kia. It's nothing tragic, nothing terrible, but it just pains my heart, boys and girls. Let me show it to you guys. So, boys and girls, last night I cracked my mud flap at this joint that I was at yesterday. The parking attendant was helping me park the car. Next thing, he tells me to back up on this pavement, and when I do, the guy doesn't tell me that I was about to hit up, I think it was a brake or something, and my mud flap cracked, boys. So now I just have to take out every single mud flap on the car. Look at how bad it snapped, boys. So now, boys, I just have to take out every mud flap on the car, boys, because if I take out the rear mud flaps, the front is just gonna look weird. Imagine now the car with front mud flaps and no rear mud flaps. So that's now another task to do. I'm gonna have to take them all off, and then maybe later on when we find another set, and then I'll put them back on again. But my boys, my heart is so look at how weird it looks. One mud flap, no mud flap. I'm so in pain, boys. Yeah, boys and girls, if you guys are super excited for the build or how the car's coming along, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, boys and girls. I hope you guys are ready for this car too. But we're gonna make a super sick build car series on this car, my cousin's car, Ratepo. Yeah, boys. What's up, boys and girls? Hope you guys are good. This is the second vlog for you guys today. Right now, I'm at Sasso Garage in Regina Mundi, waiting for my boy Keegan. For the first time, guys, I'm actually earlier than my boy, so that's the first. Today, we are heading over to a night meet. Yeah, just after I meet up with my boy Keegan, we're gonna head over to Mix's place and then head over to Kota Joe. I don't know if you guys know Kota Joe in Alberton, so that's where we're gonna go today, boys and girls. But yeah, I'm just gonna text my boy, ask him where he's at. I don't know which car he's driving, so I don't know what to expect. But yeah, hope you guys are good though. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, boys and girls. And yeah, let's get the night rolling, boys. I'm actually so tired. I haven't slept in like 48 hours, but that's cool. But yeah, let's go see what today's day is gonna bring us, boys and girls. So see you when we get to Mix's place, maybe, probably, or over at Kota Joe. I don't know, I'm not sure. But yeah, boys, see you. Peace.
2 very boring minutes later.
So here, my boy.
Oh my God! Who are these guys? I miss them so much. Check what's yours, my boy. What's up, Keandre? What's up, Keegan? I haven't seen you guys in a long time. I miss you guys so much. I hope so. Maybe I might.
But you might not.
I haven't seen you guys in a while, boys. Yo.
Hey, Buta. It's been a while.
Who's early today?
No, I did this on purpose, actually.
Really? There isn't a space here. Just got it in here, boy. Huh? Yeah.
Much later.
Well, boys and girls, we just made it over to Mix's house, and right now we are heading to. Yo, guys, and my brakes are flipping annoying me. It's so squeaky. I think I just need to change my brake discs. Anyway, yes, right now we're heading to the meetup point where the meet's gonna be held. Like you see, it's a convoy of Megalo and my boy Keegan with Keandre. So yeah, it's gonna be a nice chilled night, boys and girls. Keegan, what are you doing, my boy?
12 seconds later.
We have just made it, boys and girls. Look at how packed it is. Whoa, 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 whoa. Just find parking, boys, and then just do A young walker.
10 seconds later.
Winner.
Not tech.
Yeah.
Much later.
Boy, I ain't even wanna get
2,000 years later.